English-Icelandic do, make.
Gera.
Past forms you'll use today. Welcome, let's.
Gera.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart boost for languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Hey you, yes you, stretch your tongue in your confidence. Today you'll master do, make in Icelandic, aka
Gera.
and its most useful past forms, with jokes, chants, and zero grammar headaches. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say the past forms without thinking. Ready to flex your brain muscles? Base verb. Do, make equals.
Gera.
Think, gear up and.
Gera.
Exclamation mark quote. You made equals.
Þú gerðir.
Point at a friend with pride. We made equals.
Við gerðum.
Team high five moment. You, plural, made equals.
Þið gerðuð.
Tell the whole squad they did great. They did equals.
Þau gerðu.
Quiet nod of approval. Mini dialogue, cake, plans, victory. Listen, smile, and repeat the Icelandic lines after me. A. Let's do it now.
Gerum þetta strax.
B. Yes, we made the plan yesterday.
Við gerðum áætlun í gær.
A. Wow, you made the cake too?
Þú gerðir kökuna líka.
B. The team? They did the decorations.
Þau gerðu skreytingarnar.
To the group, you, plural, made it happen, nice.
Þið gerðu það frábærlega.
Narrator. The secret engine is.
Gera.
Boom. Call and response drill. I say English, you fire back in Icelandic, out loud, superhero voice. Say, do, make. Answer.
Gera.
Say, you made. Answer.
Þú gerðir.
Say, we made. Answer.
Við gerðum.
Say, you, plural, made. Answer.
Þið gerðuð.
Say, they did. Answer.
Þau gerðu.
Funny snapshots. Quick micro scenes to lock the words into memory. You press a giant green button labeled
Gera.
and chores vanish. Your friend brings cake, you beam.
Þú gerðir þetta.
Quote. After finishing the project, confetti.
Við gerðum það.
Quote. Coach to your group.
Þið gerðuð.
Edda, then an epic Viking clap. Whodunit, not ghosts.
Þau gerðu.
Edda, case closed. Culture tip. DIY vibes. A tiny taste of Icelandic everyday talk. Icelandic has a strong DIY spirit.
Gera það sjálfur.
Means, do it yourself. For impact, try. It made a big difference. Quote.
Það gerði mikinn mun.
Quote. Quick quiz. Answer fast, I'll give you a tiny pause to think. Which Icelandic word means do, make? Answer.
Gera.
Fill the blank. Yesterday, we ___ it. Answer.
Við gerðum.
Talking to one friend. You made, equals.
Þú gerðir.
True, true. Shout to the team.
Þið gerðuð.
What does it mean? You, plural, made it. Confirm the rumor.
Þau gerðu það.
Equals they did it, nailed it. Your turn challenge. Repeat each line after me, own the sound. Base.
Gera.
Your turn. Point to you.
Þú gerðir.
Your turn. Team high five.
Við gerðum.
Your turn. Talk to the group.
Þið gerðuð.
Your turn. Gossip, nice kind.
Þau gerðu.
Your turn. Wrap up and next steps. You did great, like, confetti level great. Thanks for listening. Keep these on your tongue.
Gera. Þú gerðir. Við gerðum. Þið gerðuð. Þau gerðu.
Practice with a friend today and celebrate every tiny win. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, printables, and bite-sized drills. See you next time.